And now, Earth's incredible oceans.
No.
The ones in the 7 seas of the South Pacific Deep Blue Sea.
I don't want to have randos on my Instagram, but I needed to see.
Do you see all the sea creatures and sea animals by their names?
She did accept it?
Here are the 7 seas. It's through the lands of North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia.
Yeah.
See how deep it is, like islands and volcanoes and mountains underwater, where animals could live in here? And look at all the animals on the surface of the ocean and on the ocean floor. Here we are at the prehistoric. You can read this book for everybody to hear too.
Yeah.
Even in the Antarctic Ocean with polar bears. Here are the oceans, plants and crustaceans.
Wow.
And here we are, jellyfish.
No. Yeah.
Squids and octopuses.
Like, straight up schizophrenia.
And sharks and rays.
Oh. I know.
And those fishes, all kinds of fishes and eels.
Yeah.
Ocean reptiles like sea lizards, sea turtles, and sea snakes, and alligators and crocodiles.
There's an aspect of it that's like, I will figure it
And here are the seabirds.
yeah.
We have seabirds like puffins, seagulls, pelicans, and penguins. And all kinds of whales and seals. And dolphins.
Right.
And here we are, narwhals, the unicorns of the sea.
Hashtag, males are victims too.
Here we have that orca here, and those dolphins with those sea animals. And shells.
What has?
Look at the school of fish. And look at all those dolphins here.
Oh.
And all kinds of fish here.
Does it feel like a relief or weird?
And look at all those whales, seahorses, sea turtles, and orcas. And that those humpback whales and sea turtles and lobsters. Here we are. We have the ocean habitats. Nicest cave.
Well, sure, if it keeps getting proven wrong. Yeah. I honestly, like I said last time, I just feel like it doesn't matter who it is, if it's...
And the coral reef.
You're Joan of Arc.
Where sea dragons disguised as kelp and seaweed. Here are sea cows, stingrays, and sea turtles. Sorry, Olive. This is mine. And here we have the kelp forests where seals roam, and with all those fish and crabs and sea turtles and clams. There are all kinds of big fish like whale sharks and swordfishes. Here in the deep sea, we have glow-in-the-dark kind and anglerfish and anglerfishes. And here we have the life under the ice, where seals come to play. And here we have the tide pools near the beach. Here are the people playing at the beach. How oceans help us through the weather. Remove garbage and pollution. And they do water cycles too.
Well, that makes sense too, because that's kind of how we used to anyway.
We recycle to save our planet Earth.
Yeah. So it's pretty common. I feel like that's common at that age. I do.
You can tell all the sea animals and sea creatures by their names. And by their names. Above the ocean, under the ocean, and deep into the ocean. Here are the 7 seas of our world, held 7 oceans. Earth has so much incredible and beautiful oceans in our planet Earth. With land on them like North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, and Australia.
Oh, that makes sense.
The second the next one was about oceans and seas. The third and last one is about mythical beasts and creatures. Come and see.